all know this isn't my first rodeo, so why do I have to explain?
So we are about to leave the Row Plains. It's been quite cool the last sort of day and a half, cycling from Madura to Montrebilla and then now to Eucla. But it's crazy to think that this whole bit used to be under the sea, but we're now about to do the last climb up onto the table plain and out of this flat bit. But it's been very wet today, but been quite nice because it's been hot the last few days, so it's a bit cooling. But yeah, pretty cool. It's deeper than it looks. You can make out the sea just about. So to get out of the rain last night, we stayed in a motel room, and we're going to take it easy today. Going to have a look at the telegraph station, which is sort of buried by sand, have a look at the views, and then cross the state line from Eucla into Border Village, which goes from Western Australia to Southern Australia. So have a chill day today. It's only about 13k.
A work of art, a masterpiece. The beggars believe too good to be true, so I must tell you that I've known truth now.
Time zones are all over the place in Australia. Last week we jumped forward about 45 minutes and we're now hitting the border between West Australia and South Australia. It's currently 1:30 and it's about to be 3:15. So we've missed lunch. So we spent a couple of days in Border Village, and turns out that the time doesn't switch here. Even though they're in Southern Australia, they still go by Eucla time. So at some point today probably, we're gonna jump forward an hour and 45 minutes and head on through to Nullarbor, which will take us a couple of days.
Feet don't fail me now. This room has worn me out. Feet don't fail me now. I've been worn out.
So yesterday we got to roughly where we were aiming for, as the sun was starting to go down, and there wasn't much cover about at all. So we cycled on a little bit further and found a track, followed it down to the end, and not a bad place to pitch a tent really. Quite far from the road and nice view to wake up to this morning.
And we've made it to Nullarbor Roadhouse. It took ages because it's so windy. I think gusts of about 50 kilometers an hour. So there's a big old storm. It's lightning every 10-20 seconds at the moment. Big forks and stuff, which is pretty cool. It's just started raining though, so we're hiding away in the tent. But good news, we found out that, or we worked out that yesterday we passed our 1,000th mile. So 1,000 miles, yay! Hope this rain stops by tomorrow.
Why lose your voice? Why harm a soul? Take some control. What's done is done. Time to move on, which is easier said than done. door, locked from the inside, and I'm dying to find my way